24s.com. Now this is going to be two parts. So part one will be doing the small, which I got from Saks Fifth Avenue in the States. Part two is the mini, which I got from 24s.com, which looks like it came from Paris, France. Okay. Oh, it says French work-life balance. I'm going to have to look this up. I don't remember it being a French company like that. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so then when you open that, inside, oh, it looked like it was just a top, but it actually, if you turn it up, it's the shopping bag. This is very well thought out packaging. Oh, and it says live from Paris. And the Marc Jacobs tote. Y'all, I really love this opening experience. And down in there, before I go any further, hold on, let's see. What is that? Documents enclosed. Okay, here it is. I think it's called Rose. Light gray. I did not order light gray. If this is light gray, it's going back. I ordered Dusty Rose. I'll be so disappointed if this is gray, y'all. Okay, this says made in Vietnam. And it's made to look like it came from Paris. And it did have to be DHL'd. So I don't know if it's made in Vietnam and then it ships from Paris. I don't know. Okay, so here's the dust bag. Came with both of them. Oh, thank goodness it's not gray. It is Dusty Rose. Well, isn't that cute? Can I tell you that's the exact same buff color as my my Paloma. So, well, I'll have to see. I'll have to hold them up to each other and see. Because if they're the same color, that's the one my husband got me. Okay. This is a cute size, y'all. So, and so if I return this, I've got to DHL it back. Alright, same design, same exact design. So you see that it's got the zipper, very buttery zipper. They're known for having really good zippers. And how important the zipper is because, again, they make sure that the magnet closes out here so you can always have that tension on the zipper. That's a really good idea. Inside, let's see if there's a whole lot of difference. Okay, it's that twill. And there is the credit card. But it's just one big opening. And so, and it's not zippered, it's just a big pouch. So the other one had the zipper and the two pouches, the small size. Alright, there's one of those silica gel moisture things that you have to break open over the toilet to get rid of it. Okay, and here is the shoulder strap. They are adjustable. I can see through. It's got the little golden knot. And, wow, so here's the big question, y'all. Do I keep both of these? Am I a Marc Jacobs fan that big? Can I use both of these totes? Well, first of all, oh, and it's leather on the inside, again, except for that twill pouch. And it does have the sewn-in loops for the shoulder strap. That's very important. That shows that they know that you never just hook it to the handles. That's how you'll tear the handles. Okay, so I'm holding this next to me. It's about 8 by 10. The other one was about 11 by 13. So, about 2 inches bigger. And what I'm going to do, looks like it's more than that. I need to measure it out for y'all. Hold on. Do I have it? Hold on, I'll tell you the exact measurements. So the smaller one, okay, was that right? Yeah, 8 by 10 by 4.5 to 5. Alright, this one was, I think I was wrong on this one, 13 by about 10.5 to 11. I was right, and I bet this is about 6. I am good, I was right. But it looks a little bigger. Okay, so we know what the handles are like. By the way, I didn't show you on the other one. On the back, it just says the Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location NYC, year 1984. So that's when they probably developed this style. So here's the two bags next to each other in color. So you have to ask yourself, do you need both these colors and do you need both these sizes? And do you want them both in leather, or do you want it one in canvas? I don't want one in canvas, so there's the answer on that. So the next thing is do you need both sizes? There they are, comparatively. Wow, y'all, I really could use both sizes. These are the most supple leather bags. And yet, can I tell you something? They feel very structured. I don't know that I would need my organizer in these. Either one. I feel like this could be a work bag too, because I could literally throw my laptop in this, y'all. That's how big this is. Like, have some of my wallet stuff in here and put my laptop in with it, or at least my iPad in. Actually, the iPad would fit in this one. Barely. I don't know the size. I would need to look on that. But this is more of an everyday size. It's a really cool color. It's very neutral. This dusty pink or blush or whatever you want to call that. I would say dusty pink because it's funny they called it light gray because it almost has a grayness to the pink. Especially when you put it next to this. It almost makes this beige color look green. This is so grayish. It's so cool tone. It makes this, which to me looked very neutral by itself, it makes it look very green tone. And I was thinking it was more warm tone, but it does actually have a hue of green undertone to it, which I actually like. I like because I have blacks and whites. I have light beiges and sand. I have blush. This is less of a blush, but it's close. The blush that I have in the Paloma is, am I saying that right? Isn't that what it is? I'm trying to blank. Is more peachy. This is definitely not peachy. This is cool tone. It is not warm at all. And again, like I said, when you put it right there, you can tell it's very cool. It looks even more cool when you put this warm bag next to it. So would you keep both? Now, this is the same bag, different sizes, different colors. Could be used for, this could actually be used for a work tote, like an actual tote for me. That's a good size for me for everyday work. This could be used just as an everyday bag that you don't have to use for work or anything. They're both casual, neither are dressy. If you don't like a big logo look, you can always just flip it to the other side where all you see is, you know, where it's made. Again, Marc Jacobs style tote, location NYC, year 1984, and it's raised lettering. Now, or is it in print? It's imprinted raised lettering. Isn't that lettering? Isn't that interesting? It's really good leather. Okay, this is interesting. On the mini, there is no feet, leather or metal. On the large, there is feet, and it is leather feet, leather strap. That's true also for one of my other really high-end brands. What was it? My Givenchy Antigonian had leather strip feet. So when you put it in, go click, which I do like that. My Brahmins go click, like lots of them actually do. I don't know, y'all. I'm going to have to think about this. What do y'all think? Would you keep them both? I feel like out of the two of them, this one, I would really have to pouch, but at the same time, I really could use my clover sack organizer. I do also like that both of them came with their dust bag. They should. When you pay for a bag that's nice like that, you should. The opening experience, hand down, for 24s.com was a better opening experience than Saks, which I would be ashamed of that if I was Saks, because Saks should be quite impressive. I'm going to pull out of here. I'm wondering what is the weight on this that I have got that it feels so heavy. So y'all know that I've got my clover sack organizer. This really could go in either one of these, but I think it will actually go in this one too. I think it may have a lot to do with this heavy. It's Baby Bum Natural Manoi Coconut Balm. It's a hand lotion. But y'all, this is heavy. I've got a lot in here. Oh my gosh, I forgot I just bought these. Happy Little Mints. They're little trees. Especially, you know, when you had COVID breath. Y'all, I feel like everything that's in here is something I wanted to keep. Look, a toothbrush. Why, Beth? I actually do have a reason. I think a lot of it's I got too many lipsticks. And Actually, I mean, I've got a whole lipstick case in here, it feels like. Oh, I do. Yes, that is what this is. Look at all that. But look how easy. Look, this whole little pouch is nothing but masks for me and others who need it. My card. What is that? Sanitizer wipes. No, that's not sanitizer wipes. That's raw almonds, in case I was hungry and need something to eat. And that is where I ate one of my bunnies. I already ate my bunnies, y'all. But, yeah, this is, wow, I think what's making it so heavy is all these extra pins. I think we need to cool it on the pins and these extra lipsticks. But I never want to be without my lipsticks. Yeah, I have 4. That's a little insane, though. And having mascara in here. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. That's ridiculous. No, wait. I'm sorry. Only 2 pins. Only 2 pins. I was wrong. I was wrong. Oh, and some more lipstick. That is so heavy. I do like it a lot, though. Yeah. There's another pen. There is eyebrow pen. Gotta have that. Another lipstick. Y'all. That's heavy, too. That's my YSL. What's it called? Rocket. What's it called? Rouge Villa. Rock and Shine. I do like that, though. I'm not taking that out. But they, oh, y'all, this is a lot. This is very heavy. Do I have another Reese's egg? I don't know, y'all. Let me show you real quick how easy this will just fit down in here, hopefully. Does it go right in? Even the little one? Look at that. Guess that answered that. But also that could work for work. I don't know, y'all. Which one should I keep? Both? Or which one? Y'all comment below. I think I'm definitely going to keep the little one. But I don't know about the other big one, too.